Good afternoon and welcome to the weekly weather briefing for Monday, March 26 from the National Weather Service in Spokane. Here's a quick overview of what we'll expect for the next 7 days. And the main impacts are going to be from snow over the passes tonight into tomorrow, as well as winds on Tuesday and Friday. So we'll start with the snow tonight. We see that there are snow showers over the Cascades today, and they will be continuing into tonight with hazardous winter driving conditions expected overnight as those temperatures drop. By tomorrow afternoon, we are expecting temperatures to be warm enough that we'll only see rain over the pass, so no travel impacts are expected. The main brunt of the impact will be for Stevens Pass and Snoqualmie Pass, which could each see several inches of snow overnight. The main swath of precipitation will move to the Idaho Panhandle later this evening, so we expect snow to start Monday evening and continue tonight into tomorrow morning. Temperatures will be warming late tomorrow morning into tomorrow afternoon, and we expect that to transition to a rain-snow mix by Tuesday afternoon. And you can see we're only expecting about 2 to 4 inches for Lookout Pass, so not huge impacts, but it could be slick driving, especially if you're traveling overnight. Tuesday's main issue is going to be the gusty winds, especially in the Columbia Basin and for the Cascade Peaks. And I'd like to just point out that these kind of scary looking reds and browns that you see are the very highest elevations of the Cascade Peaks. So this magnitude wind event isn't unusual. We'll typically see several of these through the year. And you see we could see gusts anywhere from 40 to 45 miles per hour in the Columbia Basin. But as far as impacts go, we don't expect it to be very impactful, other than just anything that's unsecured outside, like lawn furniture, trash cans could be displaced, and choppy waters if you're out on a lake somewhere. After a couple of quiet days, Wednesday and Thursday, our next system comes through late Thursday night into Friday. So the main issue with this is going to be the winds, and as you can see here, right now we're forecasting gusts anywhere from 30-35 miles per hour in the basin. There is a good chance that these will be increased as we approach the event. There's a good deal of uncertainty with the exact timing and wind gust potential for this event, as we are still several days out. But we will be updating the forecast as we get closer, and if these do increase significantly, we will be posting some updated graphics with those new wind speeds. But for now, we just expect a breezy day on Friday with similar impacts as to the winds on Tuesday. By the weekend, we're going to cool down just a bit. We'll be having our warmest day on Friday, and then by the Saturday-Sunday time frame, we'll drop just slightly below average high temperatures for this time early April. And here's some locations in Idaho, and you see the same trend on Saturday-Sunday, dropping down several degrees from Friday. Looking at our mountain snowpack, it's looking really good. And generally our snowpack peaks at the end of March and early April. So that being said, we can pretty much say that we've reached 100% for most all of our basins, 100% snowpack for this season. So that's good news. And now we are hoping for a gradual warming and gradual melting through the spring. But we're looking out into a little further into the spring. This is for early April, and the pattern would suggest a good chance of wetter than normal precipitation with no real signal either way for the temperatures. So a good chance will be about average. Alright, be sure to keep an eye on the forecast this week, and here are a couple of ways for you to stay informed about the current weather conditions and in any upcoming weather. Have a great week.